There is a population explode in the state of Manipur. There is illegal migrant entering in the state of Manipur and India. Rise by the Meitein since long time. The government of India never listen us. The government of India never listen the voice raised by the Meitei about the illegal migrant enter from neighboring country Myanmar, and sudden population export was happened. The number of unauthorized village number was rising. Abnormal population was grown from the Kuki community. Since last 10-15 years, 20 years, there is no population increase from the Meitei side nor from the Naga side, but from the Kuki community. How it can be happen? That's why we, the people of Meitei from Manipur, we raise this question to the central government to think over, to check it, look into the matter about all this sudden population export and sudden unauthorized village numbers exploding in these states. But it seems like our central government may be thinking like it is not our concern, or may be treating us just like a straight motherly type. Constitutions and the law should be equal for each and every living citizen for this country, and it should be equal for every state. Honorable Prime Minister and Home Minister, sir, we are very sorry for the terror attack that happened in Kashmir and Pahalgam. For those who lost their life, both of you born and brought up from the state of Gujarat, and the concerned authority has given the order to find out any illegal migrant hiding in the state of Gujarat. And from Surat itself, more than 1,200 illegal migrant was caught residing in the Surat. Then just think over, sir, just think over. If you conducted any search operation for the illegal migrant residing in your state and entire nation, then how many illegal migrant might be in your country and each and every state of India? It will be lakhs of illegal migrants. Everyone knows from Bangladesh to Surat is more than 2,250 kilometers, and it took by train more than 42 hours. And in that much distance, there was an illegal migrant from Bangladesh to in your state, Gujarat, from east to west. Then just think over, sir, we northeast people, the northeast state of India is just nearby the Bangladesh. Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, and the Tripura, they are neighboring country with the Myanmar, and then this Bangladesh. Here I will talk about our state, Manipur. Manipur and Myanmar is neighboring country in the states. Just one step distance. By seeing the situation of Myanmar since last 4 or 5 years, do you think any illegal migrant won't be entering in these states or in this country? Just imagine, just think over. They won't enter. Uncountable number of illegal migrants was entered. Just see what is the situation of Myanmar. And we are just one step away from Myanmar. In your state, Gujarat, more than 2,250 kilometers, in that area, more than 1,000 people, illegal migrant was there from Bangladesh. Then why not in our Manipur, illegal migrant entering from Myanmar? It will be thousands of thousands, lakhs of lakhs. But you never concern about all this. You never concern about all this. It is very much unfortunate from our center leaders. They have not checked all those things. They are very much worried about all those central Indias and other bigger states. All of you are checking illegal migrant coming in your and settling in your states, but not the other state, especially for the northeast. Assam too is facing illegal migrants coming from Bangladesh. That's why Muslim peoples are exploded in Assam. That's why Assamese population is declining. Like that here is all happening. So I request our Prime Minister and Home Minister to think over about all this. Look into the matter as soon as possible, sir. Thank you.